Hello, my name is Mauro Lepore and I'm going to talk about GitHub to manage research projects. In this link you can find some information about this talk and more resources. First, I'm going to talk about GitHub repositories, which are a kind of super folder where you can put the contents of your projects. GitHub repositories are online, which means that you can share them with anyone and you can also access them from anywhere. So GitHub repositories, so let's talk about them. So first we're going to see how to create a new GitHub repo. So you need to go to GitHub, which is here, github.com, and if you do not have an account already, you just create one. Here in sign up, you create your username, you give it an email address and a password, and as you are surely used to already, you will be creating an account. I do have an account already, so I'm just going to use my username to log in and my password, and that will take me to, so in the same link that before, now I see something different because I'm logged in. So to create a new GitHub repo, you just click on this plus and new repository. So here I create a name for my repo, a little description if you want. You can choose if you want a private or a public repository. I have both. At the beginning, you may not have private repos, but I'm going to show you later how you can request unlimited private repositories. And I'm going to initialize this repository with a README, which means that GitHub is going to create a file for me that will be a kind of front page of this project or this repo. I click the green button, and here you are. This is the page of pretty much an empty project. It is, you can see the structure here is similar to the structure that you would see in a folder in your computer. So my user account / then the name of my project, the name of my repo, and the contents of this project for now are only this file called README that GitHub created for me. So this is just what we have done. And now, well, what if we're going to see what you can do with the repo a little later, but for now, let's see that you want to say that you want to manage the privacy or you want to delete this repo. Well, this is where you could do that. You could go to settings, and here you can rename it A, B, C, D, E if you want, right? You can rename it, or you can go to settings, and at the very bottom you will see the danger zone, and you can do it private. You will need to type the name of that repo to confirm that you know what you're doing, or you can do other things, including, for example, delete this repository, and the repo is gone. Well, the next video is going to be about GitHub issues.